Hello, I'm Barb George from Nasco Nutrition. We make food replicas that dietitians and nutritionists have used forever. Most of you are probably familiar with some of our replicas. We have over 400 different replicas now in many different portion sizes. And some of the questions that we often get are about caring for the replicas. We recommend that you wash them in a sink full of hot soapy water and rinse them well and let them air dry. We don't want to get lint from a towel on them. Today we're going to talk though about CleanSmart, which is a relatively new product. It's the product number is FN35449. And this is 99.9% will take care of viruses and bacteria. It's been approved by the CDC for COVID bacteria as well. And we recommend that you can use this in between clients, handling the replicas very easily just by spraying it. It goes into all the nooks and crannies. You can see that I've cut my bread in half. I wanted to show a half a sandwich for a different portion size. I would recommend on the replicas that come in bowls that you take it out of the bowl and spray the plastic. You can of course wash the bowls in soap and water or put them in the dishwasher as well. Now, if you have access to a dish rack, you can also use this. Let me turn it this way so you can see it. And put your food replicas in there so that you can get all sides. I'm going to take the blackberries out of that dish. This would be if you needed a little bit more time and you wanted to do a little bit more thorough job, you could get all sides. We're all concerned about sanitizing products and disinfecting, and this is a product that we found to be very useful with the food replicas and all kinds of different products. It is called CleanSmart. It's FN35449. It is safer than using bleach. It won't harm the replicas. And if you have any questions, you can email us at nutrition@nascohealthcare.com, or you can go to our website at nasconutrition.com. Thank you.